how to contact seller in Facebook Marketplace. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you could contact a certain seller of a product that you would like to buy. For example, I would like to buy this phone over here. I'm simply going to open this specific item and we're going to see this pop up over here like a close-up of the product. And over here on the right side, you will be able to see more details like the condition, who this is selling, and like you could automatically message it by simply clicking this message option over here, or you could click this send over here, which would automatically send the hi, is this available message to the seller of this product. Or if you would like to have your customized message, click on the message option over here, then type your message to the seller in this section and then simply send the message, and it will automatically be sent to the seller, and then you will be able to begin the conversation on the negotiation or like asking questions about the product. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.